Okay guys, welcome along to our workshop on equal adjustments. Alright, now what kind of strategy is this?
Subtraction.
It's a subtraction strategy, well done, alright. So we need to use this strategy when we are solving a problem that has reasonably high numbers, and particularly when it crosses 10. So if I had a problem like 35 take away 12, do I need to use equal adjustments for this problem? Do I?
No.
No, why not, Lucy? What can I do?
Because it doesn't cross 10.
It doesn't cross 10, you're right, but what do you mean by that? What can I do here?
You can go 3 minus 1 and 5 minus 2.
That's right, so a 3 minus 1, or 30 minus 10 is what?
20.
20, and Tara, 5 minus 2 is?
3.
5 minus 2 is 3, okay? Now, a common problem that people often make when they're doing subtraction problems, I'm just going to write out the problem a little bit differently. I'm going to say 32 take away 15. This is when we need to use equal adjustments, sorry. Okay, because what people often do is they go 30 take away 10 is what?
20.
20. And 2 take away 5 is? 3. People say that all the time. 2 take away 5 is 3. No, it isn't.
Because if you have 2 and then you take away 5, it's minus.
Yeah, it'd be minus 3, okay? But people don't see that often. They think, oh, I'll just take the bigger one first. I'll just go 5 minus 2 is 3. But you can't really do that. Yeah, if I had $2 and I took $5 off you, would you have $3 left?
No.
No, of course not. If you had 2 apples and then you ate 5 of them, would you have 3 apples left over? No. Absolutely not. Takeaway, you can't do that. All right, so for problems like this, we call this crossing a 10 because of the 2 and the 5. For problems like this, we need to use a different strategy than PDP. And a really good one to use, not the only one, but one good one you can use is equal adjustments. For equal adjustments, we make the second number into a tidy number. So what's the closest tidy number to 15? Isla?
20.
Yeah, we could round it up to 20. We could round it down to 10, but normally we round 5s up, right?
But it's subtracting.
Yeah, but we're rounding the number, so we're going to add 5 to it at the moment. But you're dead right, we're subtracting. The overall problem is a subtraction problem, but in order to use the strategy, we have to round the second number into a tidy number. So 32 take away 15, I'm going to round that to 20, okay? Now, what did I do to the number in order to round it to 20, Georgia?
Like, you just plus 5.
Yeah, I plussed 5 to it. I'm just going to record that there for now, just to help me remember, all right? Right, in your maths books, write down 32 take away 15, and round the 15 to a 20, and just note that you need to plus 5 up the top, just to help you remember later on. It will become important at the end. You got that? All right, what is 32 take away 20? What's 32 take away 20? 12. Good, because 30 take away 20 is 10, and 2 take away nothing is 2. So the answer is 12. Now, this is the part where we have to use our plus 5 up here. In compensation, we do the opposite, right? So when we use our compensation strategy for, like, if it was 32 plus 15, if you plus 5, you minus 5 at the end. But for equal adjustments, you do the equal adjustment. You do the same adjustment. So before I plussed 5, so the equal adjustment, the same adjustment, will be plussing 5 more. So what is 12 plus 5? 17. Oops, I wrote that funny. 12 plus 5 is 17. So this is where the adjustment, this is why the strategy is called equal adjustment, because of this part here. At the start, I plussed 5 to make the number tidy, and at the end, I made the equal adjustment, I made the same adjustment, because equal means the same. At the end, I plussed 5 again to get me the final answer. And my final answer is 17, and that's the correct answer. All right? That's the strategy. Shall we have a practice? All right, here's another one that I'll give you. Let's go. Let's say that Mr. Kago has 27 kids in his class. He does. 27 kids in the class this year. And let's say that some of them are going off to zone sports. There are 18 kids that go to zone sports. How many kids will be left in my class after the 18 kids go off to zone sports tournament? All right. Do the strategy, boy. All right, I'm going to pause the video and give you a moment. I want to see your working. Show me the adjustment that you make. Pausing the video now. All right, we're back. We've had a few minutes to work it out. So, John, what's the answer? You already called it out.
19.
19. Prove it.
Like half or what? Half.
Oh, prove it using equal adjustments. I know you can do it another way, but I want you to prove it using the strategy we're working on right now.
I don't know.
Not sure? Not sure? All right, Georgia, you prove it.
So with
You're right, by the way,
with
John.
the 18, you
Yep.
go plus 2, and then you go 27 take away 20.
Oh, hang on. So just slowing you down there. So you plussed 2 to 18. Why did you plus 2 to 18?
Because that was the second
Yeah, because you're trying to make it into a
tidy.
tidy number, which is 20. Right? Good, good.
And then you go 27 take away 20,
Yep,
which equals 17.
good.
And then you do the same.
Oh, hang on.
It equals 7.
It equals 7.
Yeah.
7. Oh.
Yeah.
That's all right. That's all right. Sorry.
Alex.
John confused me. Whew. All right, 27 take away 20 is 7. Yes, I agree with you so far. Now what do I do?
And then you plus 2. Like
Plus 2, yeah, because of the adjustment. I plus 2 down here. And that gives me 9, not 19. I was wrong before. Sorry, John. Mr. Kago got confused. Do you know what, though? That's important. Let's go back to that, because that was a good mistake to make. Even Mr. Kago made that mistake in that time. Right? But what we did there, if I go back to the start, I think I know what you did. I think you went 2 take away 1 is 1, didn't you? Or 20 take away 10 is 10, yeah? And then you went, oh yeah, I need to worry about this, and then you made the adjustment, and you worked out that it was going to be a 9, but you forgot about that 10 there. All right? Is that sort of right? Is that sort of what you did?
Oh,
What did you do in your head?
I think I just halved it, I think.
Oh, you halved 27. You halved, what do you mean when you say you halved? Oh, you halved 18 to make 9. Okay, all right. Well, I think the equal adjustment strategy definitely worked out for us, and we got to 9. Let's try another one, because I think we all got a bit confused on that one. Myself included. All right, let's try crossing with, let's go 36, and let's take away 18. 36 take away 18. It crosses a 10, so we're going to need to use the equal adjustment strategy. I'll pause the video and give you guys a moment to try and work it out. Let's see what you do.
Oh.
All right, so we need to round one of these numbers to make a tidy number. Do we round the first number or the second number, Lucy?
Second.
Always the second. What did you round it to?
20.
Good, to 20. And what did you plus to it, Tara, to make it into 20?
2.
Yeah, plus 2. All right, so now the problem is 36 take away 20. What's the answer to that, Tara?
16.
Yep, 16. 36 take away 20 is 16. And now the last step, Georgia.
Then you plus 2 again.
You plus 2 because that's the equal adjustment.
And then
Plus 2, and that makes it 18, which is quite funny actually, because I didn't even realise when I wrote the problem, because 2 lots of 18 is 36, so we could have done that another way. But that's all right. It's the correct strategy. That's what we're practicing right now. Okay? Right. I'm going to give you 4 difficult questions now to see if you can have a go with something a little bit harder.
follow-up.
Yeah, this is your follow-up. So I'll wipe the screen. Copy these ones into your book and then go and have a go at them. The first one, I'll give you a slightly easier one. We'll go 84, take away 67. That's not too hard.
Wait, what was it?
84 take away 67. Now we'll go a bit harder. Let's go 146 take away 38. Then we'll go even harder again. We'll go 146 again. But this time we're going to take away 67. That's going to be tricky because it not only crosses the tens in the ones column, but also in the tens column. So that's gonna be fun for you. Have fun with that. And then I'll give you a really hard one to end.
No.
Oh, come on, something that crosses 100. Yeah, go on, you can do it. Let's go 642, take away 365. All right? 4 tricky problems for you. Best of luck. I'm going to pause the video in 10 seconds and I'm going to show the answer on the screen for you guys watching on YouTube, but you guys have to go and solve it. Okay? Away you go, guys. Here come the answers in 10, 9, pause the video, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there's the answers, right? Hopefully you guys got those right. If you didn't, that's no problem. You just need to practice that strategy over and over and over again. Watch this video a few more times until you've mastered it. All right, see you later, guys. Bye-bye.